Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about sine theta equals to 3 over 5 is given and we need to calculate other trigonometric relation. Okay, or maybe any particular one which is being asked to you to calculate. Like suppose if like this is given, what we can do. Okay, sine theta is equals to what we know, it is opposite upon hypotenuse. Correct. Sine theta is equals to values given 3 over 5, and what we know about the sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So I am going to make, because we know all the 6 trigonometric functions are defined in a right angle triangle. So here this is, I have taken right angle triangle and I have given the name ABC. And always if it is not given which angle, you can consider theta, because we can consider over here this angle theta or this A or C, any one of the angle you could consider theta, but which is the baseline that we need to, if it is not given then we consider always this theta. So this is going to be your adjacent side, the side which is attached with theta, that is going to be adjacent. This is going to be your opposite and this is going to be your hypotenuse. Okay, now here what is given, sine theta equals to 3 over 5. So opposite value is what, 3. So this value, this side value is going to be 3. Correct. Hypotenuse is what, 5. So this value, AC value is going to be 5. Okay, now to calculate other trigonometric function we need this adjacent side also. So first we apply the Pythagorean theorem and to calculate this BC, and what is the relation between, in a right angle triangle, how the sides are connected. So we know hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Correct, this is the relation. So I am going to plug in the value. Hypotenuse value is given 5, so here 5 square. Adjacent is we need to calculate, so I am going to write adjacent square plus opposite is given 3, so 3 square. Now 5 square is 25, adjacent square plus 3 square is what, 9. Okay, now I need to shift this number with the number, so I am going to subtract both sides 9. So this 9 is cancel out. Okay, 25 minus 9, 16. So this is adjacent square. Okay, so ADJ, adjacent square equals to 16. Then adjacent equals to, what is going to become, adjacent equals to square root of 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so here this adjacent side is what, 4. So now we know all the values, like hypotenuse is given, and hypotenuse is given 5, opposite is given 3, and adjacent is given 4. So I am going to calculate the remaining all trigonometric functions. So here I will make little space, and this I am going to write here, this is 3. Okay, now what is a sine is already given, I need to start with the cos. What is cos? Okay, what is cos? Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So I am going to write formula first, adjacent upon hypotenuse, that you need to learn it out. Adjacent is what, 4 upon 5. So this is cos we have calculated. If you know the cos, you can directly write sec theta. Cos is related, interrelated, inversely related. If cos is 4 upon 5, then sec is going to be 5 by 4. Just reverse of that. Okay, now I need to calculate tan theta. What is tan? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so what is opposite? Opposite value is 3, adjacent is 4. So tan is 3 by 4. If you know the tan theta, then cot theta is going to reverse of that. You not need to learn the formulas even. If just remember, tan theta is like opposite upon adjacent, then cot is going to be adjacent upon opposite. So directly you can calculate, even though they have not asked the tan theta and they ask you calculate cot theta, just you remember the tan theta, what could be tan theta. If you can find out tan theta, that reverse will be the cot theta. Okay, now I have calculated sine, cos, cos, sec, tan and cot. Now sine was given 3 by 5, so sine and cosec are reverse. So CSC is going to be the reverse of 1 upon, this way also you can calculate. So 1 upon, and sine theta value was 3 by 5, so this 5 is going to be up, so 5 by 3. This way you can calculate all the values when any one of the angle is given. Like suppose over here tan theta was given, so tan theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, so I have placed the value, and then first I have applied this Pythagoras theorem, that you need to learn this formula, hypotenuse square equals to adjacency square plus opposite square, and whatever the two sides are given, with the help of that I have calculated first third which is unleft, okay, which was not calculated, which was not unleft, which was left, that we have calculated, and after calculation of that we go to the finding of 6 trigonometric functions. So this type of question also could be there, and you need to practice for that, and if any problem you can post your doubts on the forum. Thank you.